Hey guys, welcome back to another video on How Logical. In this video, I will show you how you can get logged into your HBO Max account. If this is something that you want to learn, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, open up any web browser on your PC and there search for HBO Max login. Now from the search result, select the very first option, HBO Max TV sign in. And there you will be taken to its official homepage. Now there you will be able to see the sign in box at the top right of your screen. Now tap on that button. And now you have to provide your email address and password of your HBO Max account. Now, if in case you have forgotten your password, you can reset by tapping on Forget Password link. And if you want to confirm your password before moving on, you can tap on eye icon and reveal your password. Now once you're done with typing in your details correctly, tap on sign in button to get logged into your account. If you have HBO Max through another company such as TV, mobile or internet provider, then you have to tap on sign in with the provider button. Now that's all it takes to get logged into your HBO Max account. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.